Well, we got another leak. Got a new hose in there. Got some hose wrap on a little bit of everything. And look at this. They even give you enough room to turn the wrench over to put it in. I mean, it sure is nice. Like, they give you just enough room to turn over one time. Look at that. This was the second breakdown of the day. But after 2 new hoses, some hose wrap, protect some places, and a whole bunch of zip ties to put it all back together, we're back up and running again, loading trucks.